With so many shade guides available today, it's hard to know which one is best for bleaching teeth. That's because most shade guides were designed for veneers, crowns, and other restorative procedures. They're made to measure multiple variables including hue and chroma, and virtually impossible to read for people outside of dentistry. The best shade guide for bleaching measures dark to light. There are several of these on the market, including the Spa Dent in-office and home bleaching guides. The initial shade guide reading should be done at the start of the hygiene appointment. Use normal lighting. Don't make any changes to the lighting for shade guide readings. Sit your patient in a slightly reclined position. Hold the shade guide to the patient's mouth. Choose a front tooth or incisor to take the reading from. Then, moving from dark to light, find the shade that matches. Raise that tooth in the guide slightly, but don't remove it entirely. That will make it easier for your patient to confirm a match using a mirror. Once the patient has confirmed the shade, record it in your patient's chart. Then proceed with the whitening treatment. The post-treatment shade reading should be taken immediately following the whitening treatment, and they should be done by the same person who did the pre-treatment shade reading. Make sure the patient is in the same slightly reclined position as before. Once again, move the Spa Dent Bleaching Shade guide from dark to light until you find a match. Take a reading using the same tooth as before. When you've identified a matching shade, raise that tooth in the guide slightly and have your patient confirm using the mirror. Spa Dent doesn't dehydrate the teeth, so your reading will be accurate without concern for fadeback. Each tooth on the Spa Dent Shade Guide measures 2 shade increments. If your patient moves from S8 to S4, that's 2 teeth on the Shade Guide. It means their teeth are now 4 shades whiter. Emphasize the shade movements to your patients. If they didn't achieve the desired number of shades, don't show disappointment. Remember, every patient has unique results, and this can't be predetermined. React positively and determine if additional bleaching is an option for them. Make sure to record the ending shade in the patient's chart. To clean your Spa Dent Shade Guide, wipe or spray with a dental disinfectant cloth. The Spa Dent Bleaching Shade Guide is not designed for autoclave. Autoclave will damage the shade guide and void its warranty. Spa Dent recommends doing a shade guide reading for every patient, even if they're not bleaching at this time. Record the reading in their chart. It's a simple process that may lead to more bleaching in the future when you talk to your patient about shade readings and their desire for a whiter smile. Contact customer service for additional support. Now have some fun and test your knowledge by taking our quiz.